Alright guys, so this is the view that you're seeing. And you want to be able to go out there and adjust this with one person. Let me show you how to do that. Alright, so you come up to the camera, and if you can see, there's these little markings. And all you have to do is just line it up with this. So you'll take the eye and you'll just rotate it. It's about right there. So you see how that's aligned with that screw, and then this now should be perfectly centered. So now, let me zoom out here. Now your view will be perfectly perpendicular, which is what you want, and then it's just a matter of just going height. So give that a try. Alright, and this is the new view with only one adjustment. And I think that's a keeper. So thanks for watching.